In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to the Hostinger website builder. If you want someone else to help manage your site without giving them full ownership of your entire account, Hostinger makes that possible through a feature called account sharing. This is the safest and most organized way to give another person access to a specific website or service while still keeping control on your side. One thing to watch for is choosing the correct access level and the correct website during setup, because that's the part people most often get wrong. To get started, log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you're using the main account that currently owns or manages the website builder project. Once you're signed in, head over to your hPanel dashboard. This is where you manage your hosting, websites, settings, and account level features. From the hPanel dashboard, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. In some layouts, you may also find the option down in the bottom left area of the page. Click there and then select Account Sharing. This section is specifically designed for inviting other users to help manage parts of your Hostinger account. Once you're on the account sharing page, click Grant Access, which may also appear as Give Access, depending on the version of the interface you're seeing. After that, type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Double check the email before moving on so the invitation goes to the right person. Next, choose Admin as the access role. This is the setting that determines what the invited user will be able to do. If you're following along because you want them to help manage the website builder as an admin, this is the option you need. After selecting the role, choose the specific website or service you want them to manage. This is that setting I mentioned at the start, because it's important not to grant access to the wrong site by mistake. Take a second here to confirm you've selected the correct website builder project, especially if you manage more than one site in the same account. Once everything looks right, click Grant Access again to send the email invitation. At that point, the invited person will receive an email with instructions to accept the access you've given them. After they accept, they'll be able to access the website or service you assigned with admin permissions. That's all there is to it. Using account sharing keeps collaboration simple, while helping you stay in control of your Hostinger account and website access. And that's it. You're all set. If this helped, hit the like button and drop any questions or tutorial requests in the comments below. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.